there's actually a story of two of the greatest master penmen to live. Well, the two were sitting down across the table from one another, and F.B. Courtney wrote a word on a piece of paper and threw it across the table, and he said, "Accomplish that if you can." And so Mataraz turned the paper over, wrote another word, threw it across the table, and he says, "Accomplish that in a lifetime if you can." And so it was this life pursuit that they were after. It was honing the hand, learning the disciplines of whole arm movement and muscular movement to reach one pinnacle moment that was forever captured in a single letter. So I will fill a page with the same letter over and over and over, just so that when it comes time for me to execute that letter in an actual piece, I'm able to do so without thought, that it's already imprinted into who I am, into my makeup, and into my muscle memory, that I can execute it when the time comes. The pen is attractive to me because of what happens just at the tip of a pen. You get one shot, and what happens there is permanent. And so you're putting in all of the motion that your body already naturally does down on paper. You're recording the ergonomics of the human body. In my calligraphy artwork, I am trying to preserve the past and forge the future. What I am taking from these old artists are these things that they have found true and beautiful, and so I am essentially curating them into another art piece. If we abdicate everything to the machines that we create, then what we are doing is we're creating a sterile world that is void of human influence. And so if we do that, especially with something that is as deeply personal as handwriting is, then I feel that we're missing out a lot on each other. We're missing out on that connection that we have with one another. As one stroke builds off of another, so one man's heritage builds off of another's. Because what was once beautiful in the past and is still beautiful today holds the promise that it will be beautiful in the future. I believe that we are all created in the image of God, and that we don't only bear His image in the way that we think, the way that we act, the emotions that we have, but in our desire to create. I believe that the things that God impresses upon us and the things that we find we are passionate about, He was first passionate about. So I see this passion in me to create is the most intimate way that I know God.